Hello YouTube. I just wanted to let you know a new announcement development that just happened for Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. The next thing that's going to close in Dinoland USA section of the park is the Boneyard, which is where kids can pretend to be paleontologists in a large playground environment and pretend to dig up dinosaur bones. It's been there since the park's opening, but now it is set to close forever on September 1st, 2025, and that is the last day of operation. Construction begins the next day on September 2nd, 2025. It is sad that we're losing another part of Animal Kingdom history, but a new Tropical America's Kids Playground will be replacing it in that whole area that is soon to be called Tropical America's. It is really sad that we're losing such another part of Animal Kingdom, because again, that has been there since the park's opening. But, you know, when Walt designed the parks, he always intended for things to change, always evolve, never be the same. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm so glad I can give you this update. I'll continue to keep you updated. Sometime before that date, I'll go through the Boneyard one last time to record for the last memory, and it'll be gone. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified on my latest videos. You can select to get notified for occasional videos, or all of them, or customized to your liking. So, this is Disney Park Fan signing off. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video, because the next one, I'm going to the beach.